Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel Pably. So in this video, we are going to learn how to save new Google contacts to Notion database items. So the idea here is that whenever you create a new contact in your Google contacts, automatically the same contact details should be added to your Notion database. But here the question is how to do this because there is no direct connection between Google contacts and Notion. So first let us check this in the real time and then we will move on to the integration process. So this is my Google contacts and this is the Notion database. So now I want that whenever I create a new contact here in my Google contacts, automatically the data should be added here in this particular database. So let us create a new contact over here by clicking on this plus sign, create a contact. Let's give the first name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address as adamsmith11@gmail.com, and let's add the phone number over here. Let's click on save. So a new contact is added over here. Now let us check our Notion account. I'll refresh it. And here we can see the details of the contact. First name as Adam, last name Smith, email address and the mobile number is added over here. So now here you might be wondering that I just created a new contact in my Google contacts and automatically the details of this contact are added to this particular Notion database. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, this has become possible just because of the automation and integration process. So in order to create an integration between Google Contacts and Notion, we are going to use a software application named Pably Connect. So basically, Pably Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Google Contacts with Notion automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between Google Contacts and Pably Connect. Then Pably Connect will capture all the details of the contact and using those details automatically the data will be added into the new Notion account. And in this way we are going to learn how we can create an integration between Google Contacts and Notion using Pably Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabby, pably.com in our browser. This is the website of Pably. Here we have to come to products and click on Pably Connect. This is the landing page of Pably Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pably Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the All Apps section, come to Pably Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pably Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. So in order to create a workflow, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Sync Google Contacts and Notion. You can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pably Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want the data to be captured from Google Contacts. So open this trigger window and here in the application name, let us select Google Contacts. In the trigger event, we have to select new or update contact. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection and connect with Google Contacts. So I have to choose an account. So I'll just choose the account from where I want to access the Google Contacts. Pably Connect Contacts wants additional access to your Google account. Okay, so let's click on Continue and give away the access as the data is 100% safe with Pably Connect. Authorization successful and now the Google Contacts are connected to Pably Connect. Now before clicking on Save and Send Test Request, first let us move to the Google Contacts and create a new contact over there. So this is my Google Contacts where I don't have any contacts yet. So I'll just click on Create Contact. create a contact. Let's give the first name as Shikha, last name as Arya. I'm not giving the company name, job title. Let's give the email address as shikhaarya22@gmail.com. Okay, and let's add her phone number over here. Okay, so I have given the basic details of this particular contact, that is first name, last name, email address and mobile number. If you want to add some more details related to this particular contact, by clicking on this show more option, you can add the details. Okay, I have used the basic details and let's click on save. And here we can see that Shikha Arya, a new contact is created over here. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us click on save and send test request. And here we can see that the response is received. Okay, I'll scroll down. Here we can see the first name, last name. Okay, I'll scroll down once again and here we can find the email address, along with that the mobile number. So all the details related to the contact are captured over here. Now I want to give you an important information that here you can see that the data has captured immediately. But sometimes this may take some time in fetching the data, as the trigger here is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. Okay. So now we want that all these details should be automatically added to the Notion database. For that, come to this action window and here in the application name, let us find Notion. In the action event, we have to click on create page, click on connect, click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the token. For that, let us go to the Notion account. Here we can find settings and members option. So we have to simply click on settings and members. And here we can find the integrations option. Click on integrations. Now here you can find I have created several integrations. So if you want to use any of these, you can use. But instead of using all these, let us create a new integration by clicking on this develop your own integrations. So I'll simply open this particular tab. And here we can create a new integration by clicking on this option. Here we have to give a name to the integration. So let us give it as Google Contacts. Okay. If you want to upload an image, you can upload it over here. Okay. Here you have to select the associated workspace, which is automatically captured in my case. And let's click on submit. Okay. Now here we can see the internal integration token. So we are going to simply click on show. And we are going to copy this particular key from here. We'll go back to Pabbly Connect and we'll paste the token over here. That is the key which we have generated. And let's click on save. Now here we can see that the Notion account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select a database and content. So first we have to create a database in our Notion account. So I'll just again go to the Notion account. Okay, I'll just close this window. Here we have to create a workspace or the database. For that, click on this plus sign, add a page. Here we can give a name to the workspace. So let us give the name as Google Contacts once again. Okay. Now here if you want to add all the details, you can add it over here. And let us select the database as table. And here we can see it is ready. Now we are going to just delete these extra fields. Okay, I'll delete one more. Okay. Now here the table is ready, but we have to give the details of the columns. So the first column name I want to be the first name. So I'm just renaming it as first name. Okay. Second, I don't want the tags. I want to be it as last name. So I'm just renaming it to last name and the type should be the text over here. Okay. After that, I want the email address. And the type, let us select it as email. And I'll again click on this plus sign. I want the mobile number. Okay. And the type as phone over here. So our columns are also ready. If you want to add some more columns, so by clicking on this plus sign, okay, I'll show you. On this plus sign, you can add some more columns as per your requirement. Okay. Now here we can see that our workspace is ready or the database is ready. And here even we have created a connection between Notion and Pabbly Connect also. But in order to access this particular workspace or the database, we need to click on this share option and click on share to web. Okay, just enable it. Here you have to invite the particular integration which we have created. So we have created the integration recently, that is Google Contacts. So we are going to invite this particular integration. Okay, and let's click on invite. And when I scroll down here, we can see that it is invited over here. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and we are going to just click on this refresh to new items. And now here we can see that the database, that is Google Contacts, is captured over here. Okay. So now here we have to give the content, email address, mobile number. So we have got all these details here from the Google Contact. So basically we are going to map these details now. So I'll just leave the content as blank. I don't want to give any content. If you want to give the page content, you can give it over here. Let's map the email address from Google Contacts. And I'll find the email address, this one, shikhaarya22@gmail.com. Mobile number, let us find it from the phone. Okay, and this was the mobile number along with the country code. I'm mapping this one. Okay, last name was Arya. Let's scroll down, let us find the last name. Okay, this one. And let us find the first name also. That was Shikha, I remember. Yes, given name is Shikha. Okay, now let us click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received. Okay, now let us check our Notion account. And here we can see that the details of the contact, first name Shikha, last name Arya, email address and mobile number is automatically added over here. So in this way we can see that our integration is working. Now let us move back to Pabbly Connect. I'll save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. So now we have to check this in the real time. For that we have to create a new contact in Google Contacts. So I'll just click on create contact. Let us give the first name as Kuldeep, last name as Gupta. Let's give the email address as kuldeepg22@gmail.com. Let's add the phone number over here. And let's click on save. So a new contact named Kuldeep Gupta is added over here in our Google Contacts. Now let us check the Notion account. I'll refresh it. And here even after refreshing we don't find the data, just because as I have already informed you that the trigger here is polling based, so it will take time to capture the data. So let's wait for some time. And here after 5 minutes we can see that the data name Kuldeep, last name Gupta, email address and mobile number is added over here. Now in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Google Contacts and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the contact, and using those details automatically a record is created in the Notion database. And in this way we have created a successful integration between Google Contacts and Notion using Pabbly Connect.